Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. It is day 3, 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Right now, I am at Loboc River cruise. I had a very great time. In my opinion, it was a number 2 attraction in Bohol Island. So, do not miss this opportunity to enjoy this place. The boat ride, the food, the scenic view, everything excellent. The total experience really worth it. I highly recommend for everyone. Please do not miss it. As usual in Philippines, when you get out of from any attraction, in the exit you will have a souvenir shop. So when we get out, we will go through the souvenir shop. Here they selling t-shirts for 300 pesos. This place maintained very well and so clean. Outside, I saw the overbridge. That was a very good spot for drone shot.
How to access this bridge? Apparently there is no vehicles allowed in this bridge, so I need to walk. You can see my scooter parked over there, so I'll just walk into the bridge. Look at that, nobody, only me, nobody. Wow. It looks like exclusive. Alright, I'm leaving Loboc cruise now. It's a fantastic experience. Everyone should come over here. Lucky enough, I have the very good sunlight right now. Very good climate, you can see that. I enjoyed very well. Let's see how it goes for the next one.
Next up, it is going to be MS Mountain Cabin. It was 3 km distance from here, 8 minutes bike ride. This is the road leads to the mountain cabin. It was a private road and the road was very steep because we are going to the viewpoint. When you ride a bike on this road, looks like you are going to the sky. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe channel would be awesome. Thank you.
Wow, what a nice place. Such a high viewpoint. It's going to be a very good video right now.
This is the very good spot for social media photograph. That is the money shot and $1 million view. The place is very cool. The reception very beautiful, combined with the restaurant. It have a very comfortable sofa. You can take a rest over there. At the same time, here you can order food. You have a mini bar and a restroom available. That mountain view looks fantastic. The place was very clean, beautifully maintained. In this place, you can get a room for 2,500 pesos to 5,000 pesos.
Okay, let's see, go for the second floor.
For 360 view, you need to go to the second floor.
Wow, look at the view.
Seriously awesome.
Nice. You can see there, it's raining. That's it, it's raining.
now we are going to the pool side. They are setting up the place for the wedding.
It's a perfect spot for wedding. How it look like, see? Fantastic. Nice decoration. Tomorrow is going to be wedding day. Wow.
This is a great spot for having drinks and relax, enjoy the view. The pool looks very beautiful.
Wow. Such a nice place. Brilliant.
Here you can see the poolside cabin.
See, this is the room going to rent. Look at the place.
Here you can rent the room for 2,500 pesos to 5,000 pesos.
201.
The view was absolutely fantastic.
Beautiful place. Yeah. If you come with the family, best place to stay. Away from the town, away from the crowd. I highly recommend this place. You have internet, so no problem at all. You have internet. Security camera, everything. Wow, very well maintained. Look at that. Beautiful. That is the entrance.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you.